Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that's often overlooked but essential for maintaining the best viewing experience, cleaning your TV screen. Whether you have a brand new 4K smart TV or an old faithful, keeping that screen crystal clear is crucial. So, let's jump right into it. Take a look at this. Dust, fingerprints, and smudges, they can all affect the picture quality. But fear not, because I'm going to show you the right way to clean your TV screen without causing any damage. Step 1. Gather your supplies. The first step is to gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need a microfiber cloth, distilled water, and isopropyl alcohol. Avoid using regular tap water, as it may contain minerals that could damage your screen. Here's what I'm using today: a microfiber cloth, some distilled water, and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the cloth is clean and free of any debris that could scratch your screen. Step 2. Power off and unplug. Before you start cleaning, make sure to power off your TV and unplug it. This ensures your safety and prevents any potential damage to the electronics. Safety first, always. Step 3. Light dusting. Now, let's start with the light dusting. Gently wipe the screen with the microfiber cloth to remove loose dust and particles. Be sure to cover the entire surface, paying extra attention to the corners. Nice and easy, no need to apply too much pressure. Step 4. Dampen the cloth. Next, dampen the microfiber cloth with a mixture of distilled water and isopropyl alcohol. You want it to be slightly damp, but not soaking wet. Just a few spritzes of the solution should do the trick. Step 5. Wipe the screen. Now, gently wipe the screen in a circular motion or from top to bottom. Avoid pressing too hard, and focus on areas with visible smudges or fingerprints. Take your time, and don't rush this step. Step 6. Dry with a dry cloth. Once you've wiped the screen, use a dry microfiber cloth to remove any excess moisture. Again, be gentle and thorough. And there you have it, a clean and sparkling TV screen. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on how to clean your TV screen the right way. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving the quality of your viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart 4 Home for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.